In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Audiomass. Audiomass is a lightweight, browser-based audio editor that runs right in your web browser, so there's nothing to install and no account to create. It's perfect for quick trims, simple cleanups, and basic sound shaping. To get started, open your browser and head to audiomass.co. When the page loads, you'll see a clean interface with a large, empty waveform area in the middle and a menu bar across the top. To bring audio into the editor, open the File menu. From here, you can load a file directly from your computer or paste in a link to load from a URL. If you already have a track handy, choose the option that matches where your file is stored, and Audiomass will display it as a waveform. A quick tip, you can also drag and drop an audio file straight into the window, which is often the fastest method. If you're just exploring, there's also an option to load a sample so you can practice without touching your own recordings. Once your audio is visible, use the Edit menu to manage selections and basic actions. Click and drag on the waveform to highlight the exact part you want to work on. From here, you can perform common edits like cut, copy, paste, and delete. If you make a mistake, undo and redo are right there, so feel free to experiment. For playback, use the transport controls in the interface or tap the spacebar to play and stop. Listening closely as you edit helps you confirm that your selections are precise. When it's time to shape the sound, open the Effects menu. Here you'll find practical tools like Gain, which raises or lowers the volume without distorting the audio, and Fade in or Fade out, which helps smooth the start and end of clips. Apply a small gain change if your recording feels a bit quiet, or add a gentle fade to remove abrupt clicks at the edges of a cut. Preview your adjustments before applying them, and aim for subtle changes so your audio stays natural. To fine-tune what you see while you work, use the View menu. Options like Follow Cursor keep the playback head centered as the audio moves, making it easier to track edits in real time. Peak separators add helpful visual guides so you can spot loud moments and transients more accurately. Finally, the Help menu provides information about the project, links to the source code, and additional details that can be useful if you're curious about how the tool works or want to troubleshoot. And that's the core workflow in Audiomass. Load audio, edit selections, apply effects, and adjust your view for precision.